The exponential growth of bloggers and content would make you wonder whether blogging is still relevant. Well, the answer is most definitely, especially as science and technology empower industrial revolution. Business blogs, also known as organizational and corporate blogs, have settled into the media landscape. They have diversified and they are now integrated into required reading sources for news and academic research. They reflect the professional discussions occurring within an industry and drive broader conversations. These conversations can often take place during face-to-face communications, but when these conversations take place online, they occur within minutes and they last for days. They appear in the comments sections and make their way onto other social media platforms. Blogs that do well take on a certain topic, a niche within the field. The posts, which consist of short summaries, commentary, referential links, are frequent. The frequency of posts from multiple authors can help build the audience and offer a diversified perspective, and this helps increase engagement. Blog success can be hard to predict, but one thing is for sure: reaching success will require a consistent and long-term effort. The type of results that occur from corporate blogs include new collaborations. The topic or discussion can appeal to business leaders and subject matter experts, which can lead to new business ventures, partnerships, and projects. Internal blogs can influence the efficiency and productivity of the workforce, and external blogs can help influence prospective talent as well as create a community of brand advocates. Increased brand visibility and awareness. The more the organization is seen, the more it is mentioned, and the more people become aware of the company's offerings. A seat at the table. The discussions generated around a post can advance the organization's professional profile and thought leadership. This creates opportunities to participate in conversations, issues, and events that are relevant to the organization. Ultimately, blogs help to achieve transparency since they encourage communication, create communities, and influence the culture within the organization. You will learn about this and so much more in the Excel with Business blogging course.